To fix transaction errors on Trust Wallet, it is essential to understand the basics of the wallet and common issues that may arise. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. First, ensure that your Trust Wallet is updated to the latest version, as outdated software may cause errors. Open the App Store on your device, search for Trust Wallet, and install any available updates. Next, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for transactions to process correctly. If your connection is unstable, try switching to a different network or restarting your device. If you encounter a transaction error, check the transaction details to identify the issue. Common errors include insufficient funds, incorrect recipient addresses, or low gas prices. Verify that you have sufficient funds in your wallet and that the recipient address is correct. To fix the error, go to the transaction history section of your Trust Wallet, find the failed transaction, and tap on it to view the details. If the issue is due to a low gas price, you can try increasing the gas price or waiting for the network to clear. Additionally, ensure that your wallet is properly synced with the blockchain network. To do this, open Trust Wallet, go to the Settings menu, and select the Sync option. This will refresh your wallet and update your transaction history. It is also crucial to keep your private keys and recovery phrases safe, as losing access to your wallet can result in lost funds. Make sure to store your recovery phrase in a secure location and never share it with anyone. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, you can contact Trust Wallet support for assistance. They can provide guidance on resolving the error and getting your transactions processed correctly. By following these steps, you can identify and fix transaction errors on Trust Wallet, ensuring that your cryptocurrency transactions are processed smoothly and securely. Always prioritize wallet security and maintain a stable internet connection to minimize the risk of errors.